Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data, make a full-time machine or external drive backup, and confirm it works. Once done, sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and deauthorize Apple Music so activation locks don't persist. Next, create a bootable USB installer of the Mac OS you want to install instead. Use a 16 GB drive and the Create Install Media Terminal command. These steps prevent data loss and activation problems. After that, restart into Recovery or the USB installer, and you boot into Recovery or the USB installer by holding Option or Command R. Choose the installer or Recovery when the startup options appear. Once in, open Disk Utility and show all devices. Select the apps container that holds Mac OS Catalina, then click Erase. Pick Apps or Mac OS Extended, Journaled, only if your target installer requires it. Confirm and let the erase complete. Do not interrupt. This wipes Catalina and its system volume, preparing the drive for a clean install. You quit Disk Utility and choose Install Mac OS from the USB installer or Recovery. Follow prompts to select the freshly erased drive and begin installation. After installation, restore your user files from the Time Machine backup, reinstall apps, and run software update to ensure drivers and firmware are current. If the install fails or the Mac won't boot, reset nvram/pram, attempt internet recovery, and review installation logs for errors. These actions usually resolve firmware or installer corruption problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.